Welcome, foolish mortals, to my own Haunted Mansion. Today I am doing a Haunted Mansion collaboration video. I wanted to sort of start the video off with our own themed dining room table. The dining room scene is my favorite scene in the Haunted Mansion, besides the entire graveyard, but I wanted to share off our little dining room setup. But today I'm doing a DIY of these Haunted Mansion holiday earrings. Haunted Mansion Holiday is my favorite attraction of all time. It's better than the Walt Disney World Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion Holiday mixes my two favorite things, the Nightmare Before Christmas and the Haunted Mansion. And so to have something like this is so much fun. And I love the little skulls that they have on the wreaths there. So if you want to see what I made and how I made these, stay tuned and let's hop into this video. So starting off with my Cricut application, I'm actually using a photo that I got from the Haunted Mansion Holiday, just of one of the skulls, and I'm making two copies of it. One I'm keeping as a regular skull, and then I'm actually going in to click the contour button, which is down on the right hand side of the screen, but you actually can't see it, I guess. But yeah, I'm going to hide all of the eye and nose holes, and then I'm going to make the actual skull part with the cutouts white, and then I'm going to leave the background black, just because this is helpful for me in the design process. You can see me struggling to move them around. I wanted to be able to show you guys the white skull on top of the black background, but you'll just see I ended up cutting the white in heat transfer vinyl and then the black in faux leather again. So I'm using the heat transfer vinyl setting. I wanted to mirror this as well, so make sure you mirror it. I actually ended up making them a little bit smaller before I cut them. So there's the cutting setting, and here's the cut. Similarly, for my Jack Skellington earrings that I made very recently, I'm using the knife setting and I'm using the faux leather setting on the Cricut maker, and I always use painter's tape to hold down my faux leather. This actually was a new faux leather that I had been using. I had never tried it before, so it actually needed to go through a different setting, but I ended up hand cutting a lot of it with the X-Acto knife afterwards, so it's definitely possible to make these without a Cricut. Next, I'm going in and weeding the cut from the heat transfer vinyl. When you're cutting the heat transfer vinyl, you want to make sure that the shiny side goes down and that you're mirroring all of your images. That way you will be able to then transfer the heat down, the heat side down, so that you actually get to transfer the image. And so here I am taking out all the spots that need to be taken out, and then here is my process of, there are my skulls. I ended up hand cutting a lot of them, but I'm just placing the heat transfer vinyl on top of the leather, and then I'm going to press it with my tiny handheld Cricut heat press thing. I'll leave a link for this as well. It's the most useful thing. I use it pretty much every day. Now that I have finished using the heat transfer vinyl, you could actually just use permanent vinyl as well, but I wanted to try the heat transfer vinyl on this. I'm actually using two 5mm jump rings. I put a little hole at the top. I'm using a flat nose plier to open up the jump rings and place them into the holes that I made, and then I am using two of my dangle hooks, my little hardware, any kind of hardware that you like. You actually don't have to do the same thing if you like different kinds of earrings, but these are the ones that I've been really enjoying making. So there we go, my earrings. Finally, I wanted to add a little bit more of a hidden Mickey on there, so I'm taking 3 tiny base filler balls. I got them from the Dollar Tree. I use them for some other crafts, but I just ended up doing a hidden Mickey and used some hot glue on there. And here we have the final product. I thought it kind of gave it like a very feminine look, but I like having a hidden Mickey on there. And here is the final earrings on, and I really like them. They're very lightweight. Yeah, I like them in Haunted Mansion Holiday. So thanks for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY, and if you want to try and make it, let me know. I would love to know if you make it or not, or if you just enjoy watching the DIYs. Sometimes I just like to watch people do DIYs, even when I don't make them. I just think it's really fascinating to watch other people create. But please, please, please go check out all the other videos that are a part of this collaboration. Of course, the Haunted Mansion is like the best. So I hope you guys have a very spooky Halloween, and I will see you all real soon. Bye-bye.